Okay, train horn test. Wanted to show off something I made. So, I have a train horn that I have made out of 3D printed parts and just some general fittings from Home Depot. So here it is. I have the end caps printed, or 3D printed. These very end parts are PLA. This bell part here is ABS. Inverted on the back here. This part here is ABS. This part here is PLA. Made the stand out of PLA as well. Just some general fittings from Home Depot with 1/2 inch vinyl airline, adapting to 3/8 inch outer diameter airline that I got from a website called Horn Blasters. I have my air tank over here. I have my 1 gallon air tank that I purchased myself, and then a 3-gallon air compressor that is just about 120 psi right now. And I'm going to test my horn. Hope you guys like it. Make sure the compressor's off so that you guys can hear it good. Alright. Yeah, now I got it fully complete. You can hear it for about 1.5 miles too, so it's nice.